Imagine a vibrant living environment where sophistication meets community spirit. At Park Lane House in Sunderland, student life is elevated with stylish en-suites designed to be your personal haven. Every detail is meticulously planned for your enjoyment. Unwind on a plush bed after a full day, focus on your studies at a dedicated desk, and rest easy knowing your bedroom is well equipped with everything you need. But there's more. Enjoy movie nights with pals on the communal TV, relax in the outdoor area, or connect with friends in the common room. With central heating throughout, a tumble dryer for your convenience, and 24/7 security features like CCTV and a fob entry system, you'll feel safe and at home. Location is key. Just a short walk from both the University of Sunderland City Campus and ONCAMPUS Sunderland. Your morning routine becomes effortless. Indulge in local dining spots like Sultan's Restaurant or grab a coffee at popular cafes such as Accommodation Sunderland. Need groceries? No problem, there's Morrison's Daily nearby, and fantastic public transport options make exploring the city easy. Are you ready to call Park Lane House your home in Sunderland? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your spot today.